Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here, and today I want to tell you about adding glow effect into your scene. So right now you can see my previous version, and here is my final one. And I want to show you the difference. Let's turn on my false color, and let's just take a look closer to this area. So you can see that lighting, it works in a different way here. Now let's check here. So you can see that really bright rays from this light, we can see reflection that goes a little bit lower than this black line, right? And it looks more real, because if something is bright, you can see these lens flares, some rays, and I like this effect much more. And especially here, you can see that it is almost completely black, right? Because there is no light here. That's why. But with adding this effect, it looks not so dark, right? So we can see, and we have this feeling that our rays, our light has effect even behind this object, right? So it looks more unnatural. Let's check this effect here. Moreover, you can see that effect here. Yeah, on my character. And even here. In this case, our scene looks just more cinematic. Because before it, I had some feeling that, I don't know. Let me double check again. It just looks more like a screenshot, maybe from some movie or from some cinematic, But yeah, this one is too much contrast. And as well, I want to show you how I did it in Unreal. So for this purpose, let's find our post volume, sorry. And here we should switch from standard, because you can see it doesn't work in standard. And now it works. And here we can see 20. So let's change to 3, for example. So now we cannot see any bloom effect or glow effect, right? And again, 20. But again, you should keep in mind that it shouldn't be too much. Just play with it and find your favorite value here that you really like. Yeah, that's all. I just wanted to share this interesting effect that gives you more cinematic look. And that's all for today. I hope it was useful for you, and have a good one.